On July 19, 2013, two spacecraft at opposite ends of the inner solar system both pointed their cameras at the same tiny target, us, and they caught it. Look at the left side. Those golden bands sweeping across the upper part of the frame. That's Saturn's rings. Cassini was orbiting right there, about 900 million miles from Earth, when it turned its camera inward toward the Sun and waited, and tucked just below those rings that tiny blue dot with the arrow. That's Earth. Every person who has ever lived, every city, every ocean, every argument about what to have for dinner. 1 pixel. Cassini had photographed Earth before, but this time, on July 19, 2013, NASA told people in advance it was coming, so they could go outside and wave. Now look over at the right side. Almost completely black, and right in the center, 2 small bright smudges sitting side by side. That's Earth and the Moon together, shot by a spacecraft called Messenger from Mercury orbit 61 million miles away. Messenger wasn't even trying to photograph Earth that day. It was hunting for tiny undiscovered moons of Mercury. Earth just happened to wander into the frame, and it was so bright compared to those dim targets that it came out overexposed, a little blown-out blob of reflected sunlight. The Moon is right next to it, just barely resolved, as a separate dot. Here's the thing that gets me about this. On the exact same Tuesday afternoon, 2 robots parked at opposite ends of the solar system both had Earth in their cameras at the same time. One was 15 times farther away than the other. From Mercury, Earth looks like a bright star. From Saturn, it disappears into the glare of the rings. Neither spacecraft ever came home. Cassini was deliberately crashed into Saturn in 2017, and Messenger was crashed into Mercury in 2015. But they left behind this, proof that on one specific day, humanity was visible from 2 directions at once. 2 robots, 2 planets, 1 day. The same dot. There's something worth sitting with in the fact that the most complete portrait of where we live required leaving, going out to Mercury and Saturn just to turn around and look back. We needed the distance to see it at all. Back tomorrow with whatever the data picks next. Subscribe if you want to be here for it.